you can't always erase mental health symptoms, but you can live with them. That's all we want to offer people, is a life where they can get through and do what they need to do and do what they want to do because they deserve that. I'm Alicia Craig. I'm a blended case manager at Human Services Center in Newcastle, Pennsylvania. As a blended case manager, I work with adults and children. Basically what I do is link them with services in the community. I monitor those services to make sure they're being provided correctly and appropriately. I'm also on call for crisis 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I first started in intellectual disabilities because I had a brother who had an intellectual disability that worked in the community at a sheltered workshop, and I thought that was a pretty cool way to give back to the community because he had gotten so many services. He currently lives at home with my 93-year-old mother, and they take care of each other pretty much every day.
Alicia as a person is undeniably one of the best people I know. I moved here not knowing anybody. She, within a couple weeks, took me under her wing, almost like her little sister, at work and in the union. She has one of the biggest hearts, always willing to help, and probably one of the most humble people I know as well.
Basically what case management is, I'm in the community, I'm in the schools, I'm in the doctor's offices. I really enjoy the one-on-one interactions with my clients. That to me makes a big difference. And so when we weren't permitted to do that, it was difficult on both sides, mine as well as theirs. Things kind of loosened a little bit after a few months, and I was able to see some of the most needy that would not do well without one-on-one kind of interactions. And so we did that outside safely with masks because they really needed it.
Alicia tends to really put everybody ahead of herself. She is always, if it's not working with her clients, it is reaching out to coworkers and friends. She is what everybody aspires to be. She is a big sister. She's just an overall good human. You can't get better.
I hope I'm making a difference in someone else's life. I have been told that, and I always give the credit back to the person because all I can do is offer tools for them to build whatever it is they need to build. They have to put the work in. I don't. So it feels good to be able to give people the tools to be able to make their lives better.
If you thought AFSCME members were compassionate and courageous before, the COVID-19 pandemic has shown more than ever that we never quit. Alicia and so many others have risen to the moment, giving everything they've got to strengthen their communities during this time of crisis and confusion. If you know someone like Alicia, who is setting the highest possible bar for public service, go to this website and nominate them for a Never Quit Award.